Hi, I'm Dan Chambers, the founder of Chambers Law Firm. Thank you for visiting my website and for viewing this particular video. Today we're going to talk about the implications and what happens to you if you pick up a DUI in California, but you live somewhere else and you have a driver's license from a different state. Generally in California, if you are a California resident and you're arrested for a DUI, the officer is required by law to confiscate your actual physical license. If you live out of state, however, and let's say you're vacationing here and you are arrested for a DUI, he will not or she will not confiscate your license, but you still could be charged with the DUI. So that raises the next question. What's going to happen to my license if I live in Massachusetts or Michigan or Missouri once I get back home? Well, it's a complicated answer, but it breaks down like this. 45 of the states in the United States are members of what's called an interstate compact, meaning that the Department of Motor Vehicles in those 45 states all share information with each other about what happens in a DUI arrest. The 5 states that are not members are Michigan, Massachusetts, Tennessee, Wisconsin, and Georgia. Now, that doesn't mean that nothing will happen to you if you live in any of those states. It just means they're not required to take any action if you are arrested for a DUI here in California. Now let's assume that your state is a member of that compact. Well, the first thing you're probably wondering is, do I have to come back to California to deal with my case? Luckily for you, the answer is no. In California, there's a procedure that allows an attorney to appear on behalf of a client charged with a misdemeanor case, and in this case, a misdemeanor DUI. Now, there are certain exceptions, but by and large, the case should be able to be administered without you having to come back to California, unless, of course, your case goes to trial. Now, apart from you having to be in California or not for your court case, your next question is going to be, what happens to my license in my home state? Well, if your state's a member of that compact, there's a pretty good chance that your DMV is going to take action against your license if you suffer a DUI conviction here in California. That's all the more reason to make sure that you hire Chambers Law Firm to make sure we get you the best possible result. Because even if you're found guilty of a lesser charge, that lesser charge may put you in a better situation in your home state. So for example, if we could get your DUI charge reduced to, let's say, a reckless driving or some other minor offense, that might help you avoid problems in your home state. But that means that you need to consult with a local attorney in your state. So for example, if you live in Vermont and you pick up a DUI while on vacation, hire Chambers Law Firm to handle your California DUI. But you're going to need input from an attorney in your home state to find out exactly what needs to happen here in California to avoid any negative and ugly consequences for your license in Vermont. I hope that you found this video helpful. We always provide a free consultation, so if you have any questions, please give us a call at the number provided on this video. Thank you very much.